Yeah, so welcome, my viewers, on our today's lesson again. The topic we are going to learn is in Form 1, the Argos and plane figures. This is a past kcse question, kcse 2021. This is a 3 marks question on kcse 2021. I want to see what the examiner was testing in this question. Now, the Argos and plane figures in Form 1. So the sides of two interior Argos of an irregular polygon, each measures 90 degrees. The sides of two interior Argos of an irregular polygon, each measures 90 degrees. All the other remaining interior Argos, each measures 150 degrees. Determine the number of sides of the polygon. Determine the number of sides of the polygon. This is a very tricky question. And remember, it's a national question tested for students, over 800,000 students who sat for that kcse exam. So therefore, let's see the mind of the examiner, what he wanted the student to understand. One, when I read this question, in the first place, it starts from here, irregular polygon. That's the concept that the examiner is testing. It is not irregular, but irregular polygon, meaning that sides are not equal. The sides are not equal of that polygon. But you're told two of the interior Argos is each 90 degrees. And then the rest are 150 degrees each. 150 degrees each. So determine the number of sides of the polygon. So in this case, when we are given the interior angle, that one is 90 and another one is 90, you need to know the concept of interior plus exterior equals 180. So that interior angle plus exterior angle equals to 180. So therefore, if this is 90 plus exterior equals 180, then meaning that the exterior angle is 90 each for the two sides. So each exterior is 90. Each exterior is 90. So therefore, two of them we have 90 and 90 degrees. They are both exterior angles. Two sides. So if interior is 180, then if interior is 90, then the exterior is 90 also. Then the other one the same case. Then let's say this polygon has n sides. Let the polygon have n sides. Let the polygon has n sides. N sides. We already have two of them with 90 degrees as exterior. Therefore, the next concept that you need to understand is the sum of all exterior angles of a polygon, whether regular or irregular, is equals to 360. And note this, the sum of all exterior angles of a polygon, regular or irregular, is 360. That's the concept that the examiner is testing. If the students are understanding this question, this concept, that the sum of all exterior angles of a polygon is 360. We already have two of them, two exterior angles, 90. And then we are told that all the other remaining interior angles, each measures 150 degrees. So currently, how many sides are remaining? We already have two sides gone. Two sides, each is 90 degrees. That's the exterior angle. The exterior angle of two sides. Each is 90 degrees. Therefore, how many sides are remaining? We already have taken 2. How many sides are remaining? The number of sides are remaining is n minus 2. Remaining sides is n minus 2. Is n minus 2. And each of the remaining sides, the interior angle is 150. So what's the exterior? So we say exterior plus interior angle equals to 180. And each of the remaining is 150 degrees. So exterior plus 150 equals 180. So the exterior angle is 180 minus 150. You get that the exterior angle in this case is 30 degrees. 30 degrees for all the other that are remaining, which is n minus 2. Which is n minus 2. Which is n minus 2. All the exterior angles remaining are each 30 degrees. And how many sides are remaining? N minus 2. We already have the first two, 90, 90. So therefore, you take this 90 plus 90, those are we are now talking of exterior angles, 90, 90, plus n minus 2, those are the remaining, and each remaining is 30 degrees, add up to 360. And you formula, read the equation like that. You form an equation there and find the value of n. This is 90 plus 90, that is 180, plus 180 there, plus this is that n minus 60 is equals to 360. Equals to 360. Equals to 360. Equals to 360. So therefore, we can use this space. We can use this space now. We can use the space. Yes. So you say 180 plus 330n minus 60 is equals to 360 degrees. Because you're using this concept. Then 180 minus 60, that's 120, plus 30n is equal to 360. So for you to get n, take 120 on this side, you get that n is equal to 360 minus 120. So divide both sides by 30. So that n is equals to 240. So what is n? Divide both sides by 30. Divide both sides by 30. And our n is equals to 8. Our n is equals to 8. So that irregular polygon has 8 number of sides. Has 8 number of sides. And that's how you are supposed to have done that question. So therefore, the runner must have the concept of the sum of all exterior angles equals 360, and then the concept of the interior plus exterior angles equals 180. That interior plus exterior equals 180. That's the concept that the examiner is testing for you to find this value of n. So it's not a simple question tested in a national exam, kcse 2021. So therefore, there's a very good question for practice for students or for the runners who are preparing to sit for the kcse exam. So thank you very much for listening to this. This is Mwalimu Ignatius Wahome YouTube channel. So please subscribe to this channel. So all the best. Thank you very much.